Welcome my dear students to the class of English grammar. So in our today's video, we are going to study about the difference between its versus its. Many people get confused over this when we have to use its and when we have to use its. So we will get the very clear idea about its and its. Now first we will see the definition of its. Its is a contraction. Contraction means a short form. It can have two meanings. There are the two meanings of its with this epistrop. The upper side inverted single comma which we can see here in this its. So basically it has two meanings. First is it is and second is it has, which means whenever you will find any sentence with it is or it has, you can use this its with single inverted comma, which is called epistrop. Now let us see other its which is without epistrop. This its is a possessive adjective, which means we use this its to show a possession or an ownership on anything, which means whenever any person or any creature is having an ownership of anything, this its is used in the sentence. So here in this picture we can see the example my ball, your ball, its ball. So through these three examples we can understand it shows possession or ownership of a thing. Now let us understand in brief about the difference between its and its. See here in this picture, the dog is lazy and it's hungry. So this it's with epistrop. It says that it is a contraction of it is. Now let us see further example. The dog is eating its food means here dog is having a possession over food. So that is why we have used its without epistrop, which means it is eating its food. It's eating its food. Its is referred to dog and eating its food. Other its without epistrop refers to the possession over food. Now let us see some more examples with use of its with epistrop. First is it's quite hot today, which means it is quite hot today. Second, it's going to be a long day, which means it is going to be a long day. Third, please go back to class immediately. It's not right to skip classes, which means it is not right to skip classes. Fourth, do you know where my purse is? It's on the table, which means it is on the table. Fifth, it's been a year since the last time they meet, which means it has been a year since the last time. Now let us see some example with its without epistrop. First, the dog is wagging its tail, which means a tail is possessed by dog. Second, the baby is sleeping in its cot, which means cot belongs to baby. Third, the table is useless now. Its legs are broken, which means legs belongs to table. 4. The computer looked as though its power supply had failed, which means power supply belongs or needed to run computer. 5. A car is no good without its wheels, which means wheels belongs to car.